in our thing.
No, Amaya.
In her room. In her room. Her castle. Look at her bed thing. So cool. Okay, anyways. We're doing a slime collection. Wait, do you have more slimes? No, this. Of these
What do you
ones.
mean?
Of these ones.
What do you mean?
Remember you had more of these?
Yeah. So
What else? Yeah.
Okay, so you know that blue one, the blue butter one? That was in
Yeah.
my collection? Well, that one actually, it got way too hard, and the mango dragon fruit, that one, the crunchy one,
Yeah.
it got so sticky that I couldn't even get it off my hand.
Okay. Okay. So first, I'm gonna do this one because it's called Grinch Cocoa Bomb.
Grinch Cocoa Bomb.
This is a new one that she's gotten. Bobo Bayo Farms.
Boba Bayo. Okay, I'm gonna play with this one. It's called Gingerbread Boba. It's really clicky.
Oof, oof, oof,
Let's move the box out of the way.
oof, oof, oof. Oh my god. Has boba in it.
Yeah, fake boba.
Oh, and it smells so yummy. I haven't. Oh, this one's really sticky.
Listen.
This one's really sticky.
No, once you get used to it, it's not sticky. Don't play with this one. This one's way too sticky.
Here, can you move that chair? Can you move the chair?
Move the chair? Okay, sure.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
This one is actually very glossy.
Whoa! I just had
But
a dance party with it.
It's really sticky. My hands are already tired.
Show him mine.
Okay. Here, let me get the slime off my hands. Okay.
Oh, look at the little charm in here.
Okay. That's hers.
Look at that little charm.
This is mine.
Gee, look at the little charm. Look at it.
It's like a boba thingy.
It's a mini boba.
Like mini boba.
Mini boba drink. You should go to that place. You know it's really good.
Okay, we're gonna go on to the next one because we don't want this video to be too long, like an hour video.
I was watching back at our old videos. They were so hilarious.
I'm gonna put that to the side.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Yeah.
It's an old one. It's the rose petal one.
Yeah, I'm picking Cotton Candy one.
Oh, the cloud slime.
Yeah. Remember our old slime video?
Our old ones.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tell me the things that you don't want in your present when you open it.
What?
Tell me the things that you don't want in your present because I don't think you want some of the things.
You have multiple stuff in there?
Yeah. I have something that you might want to keep, but why does... Oh.
These are getting hard. Oh, the butter ones is.
Yeah, that's what I told you. The one just like it just ripped so hard.
It was like,
yeah. You couldn't even stretch it even when you did
well,
slow.
this one can stretch. It's not my favorite anymore. It used to be my
yeah,
favorite.
it used to be because it
It's
was
not
like
my
so
favorite
stretchy
anymore.
before.
Yeah, it was. I think this one's my favorite now.
Like
Well, of the old slimes.
yeah, of the old slimes. Because
Okay, we're gonna put this back. Okay, just put it off to the side. And I'm gonna pick this one, another green one. It's Mr. Grinch.
and I'm gonna pick this one, peppermint stick. Smells really good. You want to know what's at the bottom, guys? Look at the mini peppermints. There's mini peppermints in there. You can't see the color because it's mixed, but there's like red and white and then green and white. They're so cute. You should feel this. This feels so good.
It's a very strong scent.
Smell this.
Smell this one. It's a very strong scent.
Yeah.
I don't even know to explain how it smells. Is our account private?
No.
Okay. I'm just saying. Because my friend, her name is Peyton, and you know
I know.
Peyton. You know Peyton.
Yeah.
She has her cousin. She has a YouTube channel, but it's private. So, but there was one follower that it was someone like a random stranger. So. Wait, do we still have all the followers?
What do you mean? Subscribers?
Yeah.
Guess how many guess how many followers I have on TikTok?
100.
103. I lied.
We need not 1,000 to go live.
I know.
So you should just whoever wants to be your friend, even if it's a stranger, just accept it.
I know. No, my account's not private.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
When I friended you, it said this account is private.
No, that was a long time ago. Now I made it public.
No, it's private. Yours isn't.
Yes, it is. It's public.
It's not public.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna unfriend you and follow you again. And if it says it's private, yours is private.
Okay.
There's a glitter under my eyeball.
I know, that's what I told you. Make sure not to get it in your eye. Oh my god.
Why is there glitter in my eye?
It's called peppermint stick.
Okay, we've been playing for this too long.
That was a slime.
That wasn't actually her.
Yeah.
How do you put this in?
You gotta push it. Make it part. Let me do it. I'll close it.
Grinch is not being respectful. I'm gonna grab another one and I'm not gonna show one.
Yeah, it's your favorite.
It's a mini one.
I know. It's actually really cute. It came with lip gloss. BT dubs. Do you know what that means?
No.
BT dubs?
No.
Or BT dub?
No.
It means by the way.
Oh.
So you could say it.
Okay.
for short.
Okay. Next is a white, or just a plain white one, and it's called Santa's Milk.
My next one is just a regular pink one. It has no name.
It's,
It's just like a regular.
this one's really
one.
glossy.
This one's a butter, by the way, guys. This one smells good. I like it. It smells like bubblegum. Ew.
No, I didn't say it. I said,
You said ew.
No, I said yummy.
You did not say yummy.
I said, this one tastes like fruit. This one smells like Fruit Loops.
It's totally wrong.
This one smells like Fruit Loops.
I know.
Smell it.
I know, but it smells. It smells your Uncle
smell
Chris. That's the only thing I smell.
I'm wearing his cologne.
I know. I wear my dad's cologne too.
Let's do our slime collection. Who cares about the reindeer arm?
It's not a reindeer. You'll tell me. Okay,
This is mine.
Okay, let's get on
She's
to the
never
next slime.
focused to the slime.
I know. You're never focused to the slime. Okay, my next one is this one.
My next slime is this one. Next slime is it's a
Next
purple
slime is birthday cake.
purple slime.
It
And it's
smells.
called Sugar Plum Ice Cream. Let's get this pencil out of here.
That's my work pencil. Okay, so it's like really stretchy.
It smells good. This one's really stretchy.
We see how stretchy it is. Like, look.
You want to see how my stretchy is?
Wait, smell it. It smells good, right?
Yeah. It smells like grape. It smells really good.
It's actually called sugar plum ice cream. Okay, we only have one more slime left, so I'm gonna let you intro that one. And that one's like really good smelling. You should smell it.
Look, I smell almost smell. Okay, so the next one is
The last
this
one.
one, and it's called Santa's Cookies.
There's a
Santa's
little cookie
cookies?
charm and chocolate chips. It smells really good.
It can't come out. Oh, the cookies, the chocolate chips. Okay.
The little charm.
No, I saw
No,
it.
you should see it. Like take it out of the
I'm
slime.
going to. I know what charms are.
It's taking you like 3,000 years.
So this is the
No, take off the slime.
It's a cookie.
Yeah, it's a cookie. Santa cookies. That's the back.
My face. I'm trying to get the cookie.
It's a chocolate chip.
It's not chocolate.
I mean M&M. I don't know. Smells so good. We should do a video.
My dad can see these videos.
I know.
He
Wait,
follows you.
I know.
Or subscribes.
but also, did you know that
So he's gonna be like, what the heck?
we should do a video on you unwrapping your present?
Oh yeah.
Let's do that. Look at the mini chocolate chip. Right there. You can see it.
God, you're not a cookie. No, you put it back in.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god.
Gianna, it does not take that long.
Oh,
You can let it go like that with the cookie.
That's what I was doing. And then you put it back in. This is the cookie.
This is a cookie.
Okay, die back.
Okay, I'm gonna put him away.
Okay, bye guys. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see me unwrapping my present. And it's no glitter on my eye, but who cares? Bye.